Hey, well, everyone, welcome to Artificially Important, and today we have some exciting news. OpenAI has announced that they will be ready to sell DALL-E 2 to its first million customers. So, what does this mean for us? Simply, here, I will show you. So I was going to show you this really cool MIT Technology Review article, but they want me to pay, and I'm a poor boy, so we're going to settle with Engadget. And of course, these links will be down in the description. So DALL-E's powerful AI image generator is now available in beta. So they're opening it up to beta for the first million people that are on the waitlist. It will include 50 free image credits that will recompile every month. It will also give you the chance to buy an additional 115 credits for $15 if the freebies are not enough. So what does this really mean? So OpenAI has been kind of unsure on if they wanted to release something like this to the public, much like they were unsure about releasing GPT-3 and other things they've been working on, just due to what the public could do with it for, deep fakes, editing images, stuff like that. But they have decided that what they have set up in the back end is good enough to protect the customers and the average person, that they can now release it. And of course, there is a monetary reason as well, because it helps to fund some of their other projects that way they are working on. So if we go over to the actual DALL-E website now, so you can see that they'll invite 1 million people in the wait list over the coming weeks. So of course, if you have not yet joined the wait list and would like to try out DALL-E for yourself, go ahead and join the wait list. I would do it as soon as possible, just in case depending on your place within the wait list. So kind of goes into some more items. Like I said, you'll get 50 free credits during your first month of use, and 15 free credits every month after that. It should give you the full power that DALL-E has to offer. So just for kind of an example, if you just did decide to buy for $15 at 115 credits, that'll give you roughly 460 images. So that's quite a few images if you really think about it. And it all depends on what you're looking for. You using it for testing purposes, for development, and everything like that. A couple of things that is also interesting about this is DALL-E is allowing full usage rights for commercializing the images, which is surprising. I kind of feel like they wouldn't have done that, but hey, I'm not going to complain by any means. So if you want to create images, maybe you want to create a new NFT, because why not these days, and you want to try to become an NFT millionaire, you can use DALL-E to do such things. They also, like I stated before, they have been talking about the safety behind DALL-E and making sure that that it's not misused in any way. So they have set ways that the system will not take an input if it has. So if you tried to do President Obama riding a bike with Donald Trump, it more than likely will not allow you to do that, just due to you using names of celebrities or political figures. So, and that kind of goes, like I said, deeper into this about curbing misuse and reducing bias and monitoring and all that goodness. So as you can see, this was filed under announcements. This just came out today. So I have been on the wait list for a little while now, so hopefully I will make the list of the first million, so that I can show all of you what it's actually like to use DALL-E. So, of course, let me know down in the comments what you think about this. Do you plan on using DALL-E? Or what are you going to use it for? I mean, there's many different things we can use it for, so I'd be interested to see what everybody's ideas are. Of course, when you're down there, don't forget to hit like, and of course, since we are a small channel, please hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you all in the next one.